Hey guys, this is Japan Monster channel. I'm Yukigesho. Today I'm going to talk about the Japanese biggest inland sea, Akko. I visited Japanese biggest inland sea, Akko, and some other places nearby. I thought of 10 minutes vlog filming. Before I am going to show you the movie, I will introduce about those places a little. Akko, Maruyama Kenmin Sun Beach. I visit there. The water is pretty clear and clean. There you can overlooking the islands floating in the Seto Inland Sea, such as Shodoshima. There are many campers over there as it's free to use. And next place I visit is Uminoeki Shiosai Market, Akko. This place is a famous seafood market and restaurant place. Out here, oyster is very popular as oyster farms are everywhere around this area. They sell big oyster with reasonable price than supermarket. I didn't film inside, I just filmed the outside of the Shiosai market. And next place is Manyomisaki, which is located in Aioi City. A spectacular spot with a 180-degree view of Seto Inland Sea. I could see small islands and oyster farms. I could enjoy the beautiful scenery out here. Many camellias are planted, so they will bloom in January to April. And next place is Murotsu, a fishing village located in Tatsuno City. This port town has 1,300 years history. You get to see fishing village, townscape and fishing boats. And there are many seafood restaurants too. And next place I visit is Michinoeki Mitsu, located in Tatsuno City. Michinoeki is a roadside station in English. Out here you can get sightseeing place information and get to buy local specialties. Michinoeki Mitsu local specialty is fresh seafood. And also, I didn't film inside here. I just filmed the outside. Please have a look the Inland Sea View movie. How is the Japanese inland sea, Akko, and places nearby? Water is very clear and view is just feel magnificent. If you have opportunity to visit around here, I suggest you to try eating fresh seafood. Today's Japanese vocabulary that I want you to remember is Setonaikai, which means inland sea. And another one is Kaki, which means oyster. And lastly is Gyokai, which means seafood. Yeah, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. And if you like the content, please press like. And if you want to know more about Japan, press subscribe button. And also leave some comment which place of Japan is your most favorite place. I will talk to you soon. Bye.